maintenance of social order and the high extent of cooperation among human societies is one of the most challenging problems in the social sciences. One of the possible solutions to these problems is reputation. Given that reputation is a social construct, then how can it work? We use traditional survey methods in different social contexts to understand who is gossiping about whom. We go to schools and we go to organizations and we ask individuals about whom are they gossiping about. So these questions help us to understand the social structure of gossip and the social structure of reputation. For this purpose, we are applying social network analysis. Traditional social network analyses, though, are built on the dyad. The dyad is consisting of two individuals, one sender and the receiver. But in a gossip situation, we are talking about the sender and the receiver and the target. So who is gossiping with whom, about whom? So we need to handle this triadic situation with new methods. Therefore, we are also planning to invent new methodology for social network analysis. We also apply agent-based simulation. Agent-based simulation is a particularly useful tool to understand dynamic social processes. Dynamic social processes, in this case, can help us to understand how gossip is disseminated and how does it affect social order. We also apply laboratory experiments. Laboratory experiments are ideal tools to test simple hypotheses in a controlled environment. In our case, we are testing the situations under which gossip can be honest. Honesty is not surprising when there is no conflict of interest between the sender and the object of gossip. However, most of the times this is not true. So we believe that cross-checking mechanisms and also self-revealing mechanisms are important to understand why gossip can be honest in simple situations. We also make use of 21st century technologies to understand the actual content and extent of gossip in human conversations. We are using wearable devices, smartwatches, to record conversations between participants who agreed in advance of their participation. So these techniques can help us, in combination with the data that is recorded by the smartwatches about their polls, to understand their excitement, also the content of gossip and their interrelation.